Dear students, good morning. Today we will discuss some topics of chapter light in this worksheet. So we'll discuss here a phenomena known as multiple images. We know that images are formed due to reflection of light. When light fall on any plane, any mirror, it strikes on that surface and reflect back at some angle. So if we place more than one mirror on certain angles, then light reflect more than one time and then it forms more than one images. This phenomena is known as multiple images. Recall last time I told that when you go to barber shop, barber place a mirror behind you and tell you to see haircut from back side. When he places a mirror behind you, you can see the image of your backside in front mirror. This is known as multiple images. This is because of multiple image formation. Because barber place that mirror on a certain angle so that light reflect multiple times. And when light reflect multiple times, there is formation of multiple images, more than one image. So the reflected light rays can be reflected again if incident on another mirror and form multiple images. The number of the images formed will depends on the angle between the mirror. How much images will form? This depends on the angle between two mirrors. You have also learned about periscope in 6th class. Periscope is a device which is used to see the objects from inside to outside without going outside. So this is a combination of mirror. Periscope is a combination of mirrors where some piece of mirrors are placed at certain angles so that light can be reflected from outside to inside. This periscope is used by the defense personnels in navy, submarines, in bunkers, and can be used anywhere where you want to see objects outside without going outside. Periscope can be used. So the similar thing is kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope also works on the phenomena of multiple images. So here we learn how kaleidoscope is formed. Construction of kaleidoscope. So we require certain materials like 3 rectangular plane mirrors of equal size, 2 triangular glass pieces, 2 card sheet and cello tape. So there are certain steps you will follow them to construct a kaleidoscope. First, you take 3 rectangular plane mirror strips and join them as shown in figure. Second, slip the rubber bands on the triangular rubber. Fix this triangular rubber in a cylindrical tube. Then take 2 triangular glass plates and cover one glass plate with pressing paper. Place one of the triangular glass plate at one end of the tube such that it is a little inside the tube. Now place some multicolored bangle pieces over it. Now cover this end of the tube with another triangular glass plate covered with the tracing paper and cover the other end of the tube with a piece of card sheet and make a hole in the center so that the inside view can be seen through this hole. Now the kaleidoscope is ready. peep through the hole, directing the other end of the tube towards light. Now you can see beautiful patterns of the bangle pieces inside due to multiple image formation. So what is kaleidoscope? Kaleidoscope is the device in which, due to multiple image formation, we can see very good patterns of very beautiful patterns of the objects which is placed inside. So on the discussion, on the basis of this discussion, we will try to answer these questions. What is periscope? So periscope is a device which is used by the defense personnel, and other in the submarines, in bunkers, and it is made by combination of plane mirrors which are placed on at certain angles and it can be used to see the objects from inside to outside. Now, how can you see your trimmed hair of your back when you go to the hairdresser? Because of multiple image formation. Because two mirrors are placed on certain angles, and due to that, light is reflected back on multiple times, and you can see multiple images, and you can see the image of your backside in the front mirror. The construction of kaleidoscope is described here. You can write from here. Now, how many images of a candle will be formed if placed between two parallel mirrors and separated by 40 centimeter? Because two plane mirrors are parallel, so only two images will be formed. They are not placed on a particular angle, so there will be formation of two images only. Thank you. Answer these questions and send to me. Thanks.